Upon entering the vessel, you find the captain's helm. To the right of the captain's helm, where we have the captain's chair, and down below is the cuddy area, which provides crew quarters, restroom facilities, and also recovery bed area. Next to the captain's helm, we've created a phlebotomy station that can act as triage with the curtain. We're able to provide confidentiality conversations. The phlebotomy area is backed up to the first exam room's wall. Flat screen TV scene allows education to be administered to those that are waiting on the waiting area benches at the intake station. Those benches back up to the intake clerk's workstation area and equipment cabinet and storage. Inside the first exam room, we've got base cabinets. They're locked overhead cabinets, physician's work area, sink. On the other side, you see the exam table, lights, and the otoscope, ophthalmoscope set, and a flat screen TV for education within each room, which can be customized to each patient.